Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Tesco grocery haul or a grocery shop, which I haven't done in a really long time, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know a lot of you like grocery hauls and cooking videos, so I've got a lot of those coming up very soon as well. So I'm gonna show you everything that I picked from Tesco. Okay, we just got back from Tesco, so I wanted to do a grocery haul. I haven't done a Tesco grocery haul in a long time, but we have a Tesco nearby, so this is what we're gonna shop at from now on probably. So this is everything that I picked for the week. I mean, it's more than we need for just 1 week, because since we moved we don't have a lot of essentials, so I just kind of wanted to stock up. Like, we have a bit more chicken than we would probably eat this week, and then I got 2 pasta, so we tried to eat most of the things we had in our fridge slash freezer before we moved, so I just wanted to kind of stock up a little bit. So I'm gonna walk you through and share the meals that I'm gonna make as well. So this is the fruit and veg section. Oh, I'm gonna show you these because I might forget otherwise. So I got edible eyes. I figured I'm not gonna make necessarily cakes with these, but maybe I will make muffins, or maybe I will just put them on sandwiches, just random things, just to make it a bit more interesting for Victor. Hopefully that will encourage him to eat a bit more. And then food coloring, just so that I can make like a nose and a mouth, things like that. I thought that would be quite fun, so I got those. And then for veggies, my plan for this week is I'm going to make some roasts, and I always like to have veggies to put on the side, either to make a salad or just to cook them in a quick stir fry or something like that. So we have, I didn't buy potatoes, onion and garlic, we already have. So I got baby corn, which I thought would be a good side. Got some courgettes, these are a 3-pack. And then I got a cucumber, got some green beans for a side of something, and then I got quite a lot of carrots because we use these in Bolognese sauce for pasta. We use these to roast. I use these in muffins. Sometimes I just kind of grate them and use them in muffins, which is kind of like a hidden veg for Victor. And then I got 2 avocados. I got 2 of these broccoli heads, which I'm going to make on the side of things as well. And then I got some apples. I do think I'm gonna make some muffins for Victor. Hopefully he will like those. And I always grate apples in his muffins as well. And then I got some bananas, got some pine nuts. These are really nice to go in salads, or if I'm making a kind of stir fry type of meal, I put them in the pan as well, and it's really nice, just to kind of give it a bit more crunch. I got these super sweet strawberries, and then got some nectarines as well, just so that we have like a fruity snack. We have raspberries in the fridge, so I didn't buy those. Then on this side I got some cheese, so I got mature cheddar, and then I also got mozzarella. These are nice to have for pasta, or I got some puff pastry, this one, which I'm gonna put some cheese on that as well. So I figured I'm just gonna do a filling with veggies and just a whole bunch of things, cheese, and then hopefully Victor will enjoy these. I got some tomato puree. This is good for sauces, or I just use this a lot in cooking. And then let me try and figure out an order for all of these. So I'm gonna go with the bready bits first. So I got scones. These are the ones that I picked, 4 all butter scones. I love having scones, and I have this. I kind of cut it in half, I toast it, and then I use custard and then some jam on top. So delicious. Custard is kind of like, to me it's kind of like a vanilla pudding. I mean, probably that's what it is, but oh, I got the salted caramel one. I got that by accident, but I think that's gonna be tasty. And then got some classic breadsticks. These are nice to have for Victor, just kind of a quick snack. I got some bagels. I got the Sesame Bagels for a change, just to kind of switch it up, try something different. Then I got 6 white pitas. I thought we would slice these up and put maybe some chicken inside, or like a ham pita with veggies. I thought that would be quite good. And then I also got some croissants. Victor really likes them. I think that's all of the bready bits. We do have bread, so I didn't buy that. And then I got 2 of these pastas. I got the spiraled one. Victor really likes the spiraled one at the moment. And then I got some rice just to have for a quick side when I need something really quick to make. And then I got Fry Light. This is the olive oil. I like to use this in a pan when I'm cooking something that doesn't require a lot of oil. So it's, you know, less calories and it's a bit healthier as well. Then over here I've got Bolognese pasta sauce, and then I got this one which Victor loves. It's the tomato mascarpone sauce. You just put this on pasta and it's so delicious. So I got a big tub of that, and then I also got this one to try, the cheese sauce. So this is going to be really nice for mac and cheese. Maybe I will do a pasta bake with this. I thought that would be quite good. And then I got this marinade. This I have tried before and it's so delicious. And I usually put this in the slow cooker. So I put basically one of these chicken fillets. It's actually 2 breasts in one. And then I put about half of this in the slow cooker. And sometimes I add a little bit of water if I feel like it needs a bit more. And I leave it to cook for about 3-4 hours on high. And it's, or you can do low for 7 or 8 hours. And it's so delicious, and the chicken turns out really nice and tender. Next I got a can of kidney beans to have in the pantry, and then I mean by pantry I mean the cupboard, but you know what I mean. And then I got parsley. I am running out of that. Then I got some eggs. These are just some medium ones. And then here are the meat that I bought for this week. So I got 2 of these chicken breast fillets. I figured I'm gonna freeze one and then have it for later in the week or maybe for next week. I got some meatballs. My husband said he's really craving meatballs, so I got these ones. Yeah, these are chicken meatballs, so they looked quite good. So we're gonna give those a go, and I'm probably gonna make these with spaghetti on the side and a sauce or something like that. Haven't really decided yet. And then I got some sausages. Victor loves the chipolata sausages. So I got 12 of these. We're gonna roast them, have them with some veggies on the side. Always really good dinner. And then I also got some ham, which I think I'm gonna use with the white pitas for like a mini sandwich type of thing. And then I think I mentioned everything around here. And then I got cheesecakes. I thought these sounded really good. Strawberry and clotted cream. So I think I'm gonna have this tonight. I got some creme fraiche because I use these. I use this sometimes in cooking. And then I got some of these for the boys. It's just like a yogurt with some cereal. Like this one's hoops, and then this one's just flakes. So I figured they might enjoy that. I know my husband likes these, but I don't think Victor's ever had one of these before. So we'll see how he gets on. And then I also got 2 pizzas to put in the freezer. So I got the pepperoni one by Tesco. It's the stone baked range. And then I also got the margarita one. I usually put my own things on the margarita one, like more veggies or ham. And yeah, that's always nice to have in the freezer for when you need a quick dinner. And then we also got some crisps. So my husband chose the oven baked ones, and then I was really craving these ones. So bad for you, but I really want to have some these are the cheesy ones. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that we got for the week. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Have a great day. Bye guys.